Hey guys, I'm back, and first off, before we get into this month's Ipsy unboxing, I want to apologize if this month's bag is basically the next video right after last month's Ipsy bag. I'm just so exhausted, and this takes a lot out of me, even though it probably shouldn't, but it does. So without further ado, let's get into it. And we are going to be looking into Mays Ipsy Bag. And I am not doing a try-on style. I'm just gonna open it and talk about it. Let's get into it. This is this month's bag. And then it's just orange and it says Ipsy right here. It's kind of cute. It's got all the like little, what are these, stamp thingies for when you mail stuff. Okay, let's go. Okay, first off, I'm going to get into this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is the shade Cario, I believe, or maybe Cairo? Anyway, this is it, and then let's see. Now I did try on this shade, and just looking at it in the bottle, even when you open it up, it looks super like a warm toned peach, and I was afraid that this was gonna look really bad on me. Without trying it, the first time I looked at this, I was like, okay, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna look good on my skin tone. It's just, this is gonna be an all around no, and it's gonna be bad. But I put it on and I wasn't sure, I don't know, I was kind of like, okay. It's still on the warm kind of peachy tone side that I was thinking. Let's swatch it. You see how it's kind of, it's got that warm peachy tone look to it, but for some reason when I put it on my lips and it dried, it almost that super nude, almost completely like washed out lip type of look where you put like foundation over your lips and then you kind of leave it. It wasn't quite that nude. It had a little bit more color to it, but it was kind of that area. So I might play around with it a little bit more and see how I feel about it. And that's color-wise. Now, formula and texture-wise, it feels kind of creamy going on, and I like that. But once it dries, it does feel a little bit drying on my lips. It kind of felt, aside from drying, it felt a little tight, like I needed to put chapstick on or something. But I was surprised by the color. On me, anyway. And the bonus to NYX, you guys, they're so cheap. Who doesn't like cheap stuff? Okay, next, this is the Pop Goes the Shadow by Elizabeth Mott. This is a premium eyeshadow in Mermaid Teal. Dude, anything mermaid, I'm obsessed with it. And the color is so pretty. I actually haven't been able to swatch this yet until now. Okay, it doesn't feel too bad. Pigment's all right. One swipe. Not too bad. It looks way more blue than it looks teal, and the more I rub it in, the more blue it looks rather than teal. Next up, we have a Tarte product. So this is the Tarte's Smooth Operator, and I actually have this. But the one I have is the pressed powder, and this is the loose powder. I've actually really liked this powder, but I think I like the loose powder formula a little bit more. It's just a little bit easier to apply. You can control how much, but obviously the downside of loose powders is they're a little bit messier. Although, I mean, when I dig my brush into this, it can just like, it kind of just explodes everywhere. I mean, even just opening it, I'm kind of like, but now that I have this kind of sample size of the loose powder, I've been using that because I hit pan a long time ago on this thing. There's not much left. But I do prefer the loose powder over the pressed powder in this specific formula. I just think it works a little bit better for my skin, especially under my eyes. It just goes on really smoothly and I can control it a little bit better, and I really like that. Okay, we have 2 products left. The last one is this Painting Therapy Pack. It's a Serum Control Black Color Clay by Tony Moly. Now, sadly, I have not had a chance to use this yet, and I will tell you why. My skin is going through something. I don't have a clue what. I don't have a clue why. I don't know. Ever since I tried that last product, I can't even remember what it was now, that broke me out after 2 uses, and I threw it away and never used it again, my skin just kept getting worse and just breaking out, and I thought, okay, well, maybe I'm just super stressed, but my skin has not calmed down since then. So I am refusing to try any new skincare products right now. I just need my skin to just kind of calm down first before I start putting any new products on it. I am going to wait to try this out, but I do have a feeling it will go pretty well because my skin has never had an issue with Tony Moly before. I'm not afraid this will do anything, but just to be safe, I am going with my OG skincare routine. Last but not least, we have another nail polish by Odyssey, New York. And this is the Organic Infused Nail Lacquer, and this is a gel effect. The color I had received this month, this is Oh Cabana Boy. And this color, you guys, is so pretty. I really want to put this on my toes. I think this would be so cute with like a little floral design or something, because it's starting to get warmer here and I'm starting to wear sandals and open-toed shoes a lot more. I really want to test this out. So next time I go get a pedi, I think this bad boy might be coming with me. Alright, so those are the products for this month's Ipsy bag. My next video should be a makeup tutorial. Do me a big favor, hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell so you can get notified every time I do upload, since I am inconsistent because of my health. I'm not trying to make excuses, I promise, but hitting that bell will notify you the moment I upload so you don't have to constantly be checking. It'll just notify you, or at least it should. Sometimes I know YouTube can be a little funky, but the bell is supposed to help notify you when I upload. So if you hit the subscribe button and then you hit that little bell, you will just be a part of my family. And we can all just get in this like super big group hug and it will be amazing. And it would just, yeah, it'd be awesome. Do that, leave a comment down below, hit the bell, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.